What is compound interest and why it matters? Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools in personal finance, and once you understand how it works, it can completely change the way you think about saving and investing. Let's start simple. Interest is the money you earn on your savings or investments. With simple interest, you earn interest only on the original amount you put in, but with compound interest, you earn interest on both your original money and the interest that builds up over time. That's where the magic happens. Here's a quick example. If you invest $1,000 at a 5% interest rate, with simple interest, you'd earn $50 every year. But with compound interest, in the first year you'd still earn $50. In the second year, you'd earn interest on $1,050. By year 3, you're earning interest on $1,102.50. And it keeps growing from there. The longer you leave it, the faster it grows. This effect is called compounding, and time is your best friend. Even small amounts can grow big if you give them enough time. That's why starting early is one of the smartest things you can do for your financial future. Think of it like planting a tree. In the beginning, it's just a seed. But with time, water, and sunlight, it turns into something strong, with branches that keep growing. Compound interest works the same way. The more you give it, the more it gives back. It matters because compound interest doesn't just help you grow your money. It gives you freedom. It can help you buy a house, pay for college, retire comfortably, or chase a dream. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to benefit from it. You just need to start. So whether it's saving a little every month, investing in a retirement plan, or just leaving your money in a high-yield account, let compound interest work for you. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Remember, time isn't just money. Time is compound money.